Meet the Sensi Smart Thermostat. It's rated Best Value Smart Thermostat by USA Today's Reviewed.com and is the first smart thermostat to be named Energy Star's Partner of the Year. In this video, you'll learn how to easily install and connect your Sensi thermostat. First, open the box to find the thermostat base, screws and anchors, wire label stickers, your installation guide, and your welcome guide with your Sensi password or HomeKit code on the back. In addition to these items, you'll need an Android or iOS device with the Sensi app installed, your email address, Wi-Fi network name and password, medium-tipped and small-tip Phillips screwdrivers. To download the app, just search Sensi in the App Store. To get started, open the Sensi app on your device and follow the prompts to create an account. Once your account has been created, select the plus sign to add a new thermostat. Select Smart Thermostat, then select No, it needs to be installed if your thermostat still needs to be installed. If a technician installed the thermostat and you just need to connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi, select Yes, it is on the wall. Select the appropriate path and follow the step-by-step instructions. After selecting No, it needs to be installed, you will need to turn off the power to your heating and air conditioning system from the breaker box or the switch next to the thermostat before handling the thermostat wires. Next, remove your existing thermostat cover. With the sub-base and wires visible, take a photo of the existing wire configuration. If you see a jumper wire, remove and discard it before the next step. On the sub-base of your existing thermostat, you'll notice that each wire corresponds with a letter. Record the existing wires by selecting the corresponding letter for each wire on the Sensi mobile app. When you're finished, the app should display you have selected a valid configuration. If it doesn't, you likely need a C-wire, which is required for certain configurations. Check out our C-wire installation videos found at sensi.emerson.com/support. Next, you'll be asked to identify your furnace type. Select either gas, electric, or boiler radiant. Now you're ready to mark your wires using the provided wire label stickers as instructed in the Sensi app. Once all of the wires have been labeled, you can disconnect the wires from the terminals and remove your old thermostat sub-base from the wall. Mount your new Sensi thermostat sub-base to the wall using the screws and anchors provided and the built-in bubble level. Connect the wires to your Sensi thermostat sub-base. Match each labeled wire to the corresponding terminal and slide it into the hole on the side of the terminal. To tighten the wire in place, use a small screwdriver. Finally, remove the power-saving tag from the AA batteries on the thermostat and snap the thermostat onto the base. Turn the power to your system back on. Now that your new Sensi thermostat is installed, you need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. To connect, first press the menu button on the face of the thermostat. The word Connect should appear on the lower left corner of the thermostat screen. Press the button below the word Connect to continue. To finish, follow the step-by-step instructions in the Sensi app. You'll need your welcome guide with your Sensi security code on the back, as well as your home Wi-Fi network name and password to get connected. The Sensi security code can also be found on the back of the thermostat faceplate. That's it. In just minutes, you'll be able to enjoy easy and convenient control of your home comfort using your Sensi Smart Thermostat. Wondering where to begin? Here's a few recommendations that will get you started taking complete control of your home comfort. Service reminders are a great way to keep your HVAC system running its best. Use service reminders in the System Settings menu to create an air filter reminder. It's recommended to change your air filter every 3 months to keep your air clean and your system running efficiently. Scheduling can help you save HVAC energy by running the system less often when you're not at home. From the thermostat control screen, tap the schedule icon to set a programmed schedule. You can also turn on the geofencing feature, which uses your location to adjust the temperature. Sensi thermostats integrate with many smart home platforms, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. Select Smart Integrations in your account settings to get started. You can check your current and historic system usage in the app. Just go to Usage in the thermostat control screen. Visit sensi.emerson.com/support for access to support articles, instructional downloads, and comprehensive support videos. Our highly trained Sensi support team is available 7 days a week.